Welcome to day 2 of the Paris International Air Show. Today we're going to be tackling a question that keeps a lot of aviation professionals awake at night, and that is, how do we continue to drive down carbon emissions whilst continuing to meet demand for air travel? We'll explore this enormous exhibition space to bring you some of the best and most innovative ideas in that field. Schlager from the German Aerospace Center outlined how slight changes in flight paths can make a huge difference to carbon emissions.
Nitrogen oxides, which is one of the emissions from engines, if they are transported into the tropics, then they form a lot of ozone, and ozone is a greenhouse gas. If they are transported to the Arctic, you have less radiation, you form less ozone. You have to understand that the climate impact of aviation, 1/3 is due to the CO2 emissions, and the other 2/3 is due to non-CO2 effects. So you can have small changes in the flight path, but gain a lot in the environmental impact of the emissions from the aircraft.
Next generation engines have a crucial role to play. We caught up with Cédric Goubet, director of the Civil Motors Division at Safran.
This is first of all a bigger engine than the current one. We have increased the fan diameter to increase the bypass ratio of the engine, which helps a lot to improve the efficiency of the engine. The risk we were facing was to increase the weight, to have a big weight penalty. This is why we have worked a lot, to incorporate new materials, new design to save weight. So thanks to this composite technology, we have managed, to increase the size of the engine and with at the same time mitigating the weight burden, the weight impact. And just to compare, on the CFM56 5B, so for Airbus, you have 36 fan blades, and with the LEAP 1A, you have divided by 2 the number of blades, so you have only 18.